You can see this car over here, how they're just buying in bulk and bringing back home, and very fresh. Look at these broccoli here. Supermaxi is just they just spray all the vegetables that they have with chemicals, so it's not fresh and it's not the same quality. Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video I am in Ecuador's biggest fruit and vegetable market called Mercado Mayorista. Basically all fruits and vegetables that come from the different provinces of Ecuador, all the trucks come here and then it gets distributed around the country to different shops, but actually one of the best places to buy fresh fruits and vegetables. You can see watermelons here, huge watermelons. There's papaya, mangoes, pineapples, pretty much everything. And a lot of tourists don't know about this place or never actually come here. But you can see there's a lot of people that come with their cars. They're either restaurant owners or come from their own house and they just buy for the week or they buy for the month. And then you can see all the trucks that come in and out. And this place actually opens at like 5 AM in the morning, so it opens pretty early, but it is really big. And I actually come here and buy my weekly fruits and vegetables because it's much cheaper than the shops, you know, where you'd normally buy. For example, there's a shop in Ecuador called Supermaxi where most people go, and that's actually the most expensive place to buy, and the quality is really bad. So here pretty much everything is organic and natural and much cheaper. You can see all the trucks here, guys. So they, like I mentioned, they all come from different farms and provinces, and they basically just sell their produce. And most of the guys actually come here, for example, on a Thursday, and then they actually sleep in the truck until the truck produce has been sold. So they sell everything and they sleep here until everything is sold. And they bring these crates here that you can see. So you can see how fresh it is, guys. So very nice. So yeah, this is a really massive place. Really massive place, and you can actually get lost here. But they have basically different parts where you can find specific fruits and vegetables. For example, there's like a road here that's just pineapples. Like here you can see just pineapples or melons, and then you've got, I think this section here where I'm walking is basically just the fruit section, and then further down there's like a street that's just vegetables. So you'll find your broccoli, your peppers, tomatoes, lettuce, all of that. You can see this car over here, how they're just buying in bulk and bringing back home or to their restaurants. So this is really a good place to see a typical Ecuadorian market. You'll get a good perspective here of how it is a nice local vibe or a nice local market. And as I mentioned, it's the biggest in the whole of Ecuador. So this little tunnel here coming ahead is actually where the vegetable section starts. So you can see there's some aloe vera there, there's some corn, potatoes I can see, garlic. You can see here, there's so much variety here. And it's so cheap. Like a bag of tomatoes is like $1. A bag of garlic is like $1. It's all little bags. But everything is like, most of the bags that they have are like $1. This whole bag here is like $1 as well. With carrots. And most of the stuff is also negotiable, so you can lower the price a little bit. But you can see now the variety of vegetables in this section. And very fresh. Look at these broccoli here, celery, super fresh. So yeah, as I mentioned, I like coming here because it's much better than Supermaxi, where most people go. Supermaxi is just they just spray all the vegetables that they have with chemicals, so it's not fresh and it's not the same quality. Here 80% of the, or let me say 90% of the fruits and vegetables are actually organic because they come from farms, independent farms. So natural, high quality, and it's not like your Supermaxi where your products take so long to expire because of all the chemicals. These products are actually nice, and obviously they do expire faster because they're more natural. You can see the avocados there. But yeah, that is the summary of this place, this market. At the end, I'll just quickly show you this street over here. This is where, at the end of the street, they sell meat, chicken, fish. So you can actually find pretty much everything here. So you can see these little stalls over here. Or on this side is where they sell you can find your chicken, your fish products that all come from the coast. And you can even find like nuts, dried fruit. You can find rice, like pretty much everything you can find here, but you just have to look for it. That is Mercado Mayorista, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.